In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively edit text within the Framer design tool. Let's dive right in and get started on creating beautifully customized text for your projects. First things first, you'll want to open Framer on your computer. Once you have Framer up and running, the real fun can begin. Let's look at the workspace. You'll notice various elements, but our focus today is on the text element. So go ahead and click on the text element you wish to edit. You'll see that as soon as you select it, the right side panel of Framer becomes active. This is where all the magic happens, as this panel is your gateway to personalizing the text to match your vision. You'll see that editing the text is quite intuitive. Simply click in the panel where the text is displayed, and you can start making your changes right away. If you want to change the overall look, start by exploring the font options. Click on the font setting, and you'll find a variety of styles available. Take your time to scroll through the options and select the one that best suits the tone you want to convey in your project. Remember, the font can profoundly affect the mood and readability of your text, so choose wisely. Color is another powerful way to make your text stand out. On the right panel, you'll find the option to select a color for your text. Click on it and a color picker will appear. Here you can explore different shades and hues to find the perfect match for your design. Whether you're looking for bold, vibrant colors or something more subdued, you have complete control to tailor the color to your liking. Size is just as important. You might want to make the text larger to emphasize a certain point, or perhaps make it smaller for a more understated look. You can easily adjust the size by either increasing or decreasing the value in the size setting. This flexibility ensures that your text not only looks great, but also fits seamlessly within your overall design layout. Alignment is another key consideration. Depending on your design requirements, you might want your text left-aligned, right-aligned, centered, or even justified. This option is also available in the panel. By aligning the text appropriately, you can ensure it integrates well with other design elements and maintains a clean, organized appearance. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustments and confident that your text fits your design vision perfectly, it's time to explore other available settings. Don't hesitate to experiment, as this can lead to discovering new design possibilities that might enhance your project even further. When you're happy with everything, the final step is to click Publish. This will save your changes and make them ready for implementation or sharing. And there you have it. You've successfully edited text in Framer. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.